Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic: how to develop a trading strategy using AI that has the potential for significant returns. With advancements in artificial intelligence, creating effective trading strategies has become more accessible than ever. Let's dive in.
Bolt AI. First of all, you have to sign into TradingView. We have to explain Bolt what we want with prompts. I prepared a complete prompt that can make Bolt work more advanced for this trading strategy. You can download the .txt file from the link in description if you like. Copy it. Paste it. We want to upgrade strategy indicator. Paste your indicator code below. Open your indicator in TradingView. Go to source code. Copy. Paste below. Click to generate the code. Finished! Faster than you think. Now copy the code. Paste it here in Pine Editor. Save it and add it to chart. Blue's arrows are buy signal and reds are for sell. This is power of Bolt AI. 12,497.7% plus. As you can see, it has a low loose rate, demonstrating the high quality of the strategy. Look at this awesome long buy position. Here is the take profit or target. I have made every effort to explain this in a straightforward manner for those who are not professional traders. I hope you will make a lot of money with this trade.
Remember, while AI can significantly enhance your trading strategy, it's essential to stay informed about market trends and continuously refine your approach. Combining AI insights with your market knowledge can lead to more robust trading decisions. That's it for today's tutorial on developing an AI-powered trading strategy. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Have questions or success stories? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.